let's take a look at this example that we have as your last one in your homework assignment. Here we have a supply function for a certain type of DVD player, and you're given by two functions. You've got S of P is 130 e to the 0.004p, and dp is equal to 416 e to the negative 0.003p, where S of P is the number of DVD players that the company is willing to sell at the price, and dp is the quantity that the public is willing to buy at price P. We want to find P such that the two are equal. This is called the equilibrium price. So I could actually show you how to do this, but I want to make sure that some of you are using this feature that's available to you under question help. If you click on view an example, it's actually going to walk you through this problem and show you every single step that you have. Here's the actual problem that you have. We read it all the way down through, and you want to set these two equations equal to each other, so it does so right here. That's probably the hardest part of this whole problem. We now hit continue, and then it's going to show you we're going to divide both sides by the equation by 160. Now, it doesn't matter if you do 160 or 512. We're just trying to get E all by itself on one of these sides. So we're going to divide by 160. 512 divided by 160 is going to be equal to 3.2. 160 divided by 160 is going to give us 1 right here. Then we're going to take the natural log of both sides. Now what happens here is we get the natural log over here, we get the natural log over here, but then we're going to use our properties of logarithms where we're going to apply the product rule. And what happens in that product rule over here, we got 3.2 and then e to this. Whenever you have two things that are being multiplied together in a logarithm, you want to separate them by adding them. This side ain't going to change yet. And now we use the power property, and we're going to bring this power property down. So this actually comes down front here, and this actually comes down front right here. We're left with the natural log of E, which is that is equal to 1. So really we have natural log of E here, but that has a value of 1. That's why it disappears between this step and this step. And then it becomes just a arithmetic problem, algebra problem. We've got the natural log of 3.2 minus this. We're going to add 0.003p to both sides. We're going to get 0.0008. And then we're going to divide both sides by 0.0008. And we're going to get our value of p. And then that's going to give us 145.39 as the equilibrium price. Okay? So there's actually quite a bit going on in here. And this is what I'm going to be looking for when I do your quiz. This problem here has got a lot of stuff going on. We're solving, we're taking the logs of both sides. We're doing all kinds of stuff here. We're applying our rules. But these are all the rules that we learned in the previous section. Those are the ones that are going to actually help us solve all of these problems. Okay? So don't forget, you have these features that are available to you under question help. Remember, to help me solve this works. You just have to fill in the blanks of what they're asking you to do. Here they're asking you to divide both sides by 130. So we do 416, I'm using my calculator right now, divided by 130. It's going to give me 3.2. So I'm going to type in 3.2 right here. And it's going to step me through the problem. Okay. But if you just want to review an example, see how they do it, this is a little bit quicker. You can always use the Ask My Instructor feature. That sends me an email where you can ask for help. Okay?